Yo guys, today we're going to be taking some pictures. I got my trusty biker friend, but firstly we're going to need to fix the engine. So I think I found out what the problem was. Yeah. So I was looking around and I realized that this pipe had come out of the blue pipe. So as you can see, that is completely detached. So right here, I'm just going to push it in. As you can see, it's gone in, but it needs to be pushed in properly. So we're currently finding a spot to take a picture, and guess what we've got? We've got the camera. We're ready today. Put the show plates on. Oh, that actually looks hard. This is the scene. Looks pretty average right now, I'd say. Now we've got to move this 50cc out of the way.
He's teaching everyone how to use a camera.
Yeah, so turn this on. Well, it's going to be on when you're using it. And then this is the zoom. I want a max zoom, because max zoom makes you just look more leng. So max zoom. So stand pretty far. Don't touch this, because this changes the focus. We're going to need to stand about this far from the front. Just clicking it.
Just started, right?
We just finished the recordings. The pictures. Oh yeah, I think I found the one.
Oh yeah.
I think I found the one.
Should we show it on the camera?
Yeah.
Wait, this camera's burning me hand, mate.
Literally, you can get very close.
That's all
you can see right now.
That's all you're getting, lads.
You'll see on the profile picture on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And Crozer.
Crozer on all platforms.
Huh? Oh, on all platforms.
On all platforms, except YouTube.
Oh yeah, we like those. Alright, do you want to take some pictures for you as well?
Not really too bothered, man. It's up to you.
I don't mind.
Should I do that?
The roads are so bumpy, so uncomfortable driving on this road, especially on this car. It has coilovers, the shocks are messed up. It's very, very rough. What's going on here? Got Audi A4. It looks to be about the same age as my car. But yeah, let's turn down the windows. It's way too hot today. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a vest, bro, the past couple of days in London, it's been extremely hot. Bro, why are they screaming? I don't know if you heard that, but the bottom of my car just absolutely got smacked by that speed bump. Oh my god. You guys can't experience the bumpiness that I'm feeling right now because I've turned on stabilization on the camera, but if I have it off, you guys will understand how stiff this car is. It's genuinely very, very stiff. But I'm probably going to get rid of this car very soon, and I'm going to try getting a different car because this car, to me, it's too unreliable, and I don't want to deal with something like this. If anyone's interested in buying this car, do let me know. But soon this car will be gone. be honest, I can't even see the car behind me. It's good enough. Good enough. Let's get the mic, turn this off, and we're gonna be chilling.
Oh my god!
What are you saying, bro?
Take your.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you liked it?
Yeah, much better.
Alright guys, this is gonna be a short video for today. The next video will be a POV drive video with good audio. So if you guys are excited for that, make sure to smash that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next video.